Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maimuna Adewale from May Ade, and in this video I'm going to be doing a watch me sew video of this garment that I'm actually wearing right here. So yes, this is my first garment for 2020. I'm so happy I actually got it in. I was planning to finish it for 2019, but unfortunately that didn't happen, but I'm glad I got it in for 2020. I used this pattern right here, this Vogue pattern 9327. It's an amazing pattern. Absolutely love it. The fit was amazing. It was easy to put together. Instructions were easy to follow. So I highly recommend it. I only made 2 changes to the pattern, and that was for view B. Instead of making the cuff, I decided to go with an elastic casing for my wrist. And also I increased the length of the skirt from a midi, which they have right here, to a maxi length. That's something that I love doing, and I do that a lot with patterns. I love maxi length dresses, maxi length skirts, because I dress modestly and I prefer to stay away from like midi lengths. So I do that all the time. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this sew along video. I just wanted to take you a little bit behind the scenes, just showing the process of how I how I make my garments and how I put it together. And I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments below if you do. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye. Okay, guys, I'm done with the bodice, and I tried it on, and I am really loving the fit. It is amazing, and I know this is going to look absolutely gorgeous when it's done. Excuse my mannequin. Inshallah, hopefully I'm going to get a bigger mannequin, but it's on a smaller size 8 mannequin for now, so it does look a bit big, but try and look beyond that and see just see what I'm showing you. So here it is, really loving it. The armholes are done. This is the back. Okay, so right now, guys, I'm making an elastic casing for my sleeves. I'm working on the sleeves. I tried to do a fold over elastic casing with just what, that's where I have, I'll show you an example with the other sleeve. So this sleeve does not have a facing, so I tried to do a fold over casing where I just take the cuff of the sleeve and then fold it over, and then fold over again along the edge just to encase that edge, and then put the elastic casing, thread it through this casing right here. However, the casing that I want to make is with this elastic, which is like about 1 centimeter wide. When you're doing that, the problem is when you're doing that with an curved hem, it's really hard to do a wide a wide fold over casing like that. It doesn't fold well. You'll get a lot of bunching along the seam line here. So what I did try to do that and it didn't work out. So what I did was instead I made a separate facing. So I made a separate cuff facing, which I have here. And then what I've decided to do is just attach it to the right sides together to the end of the sleeve, and use this. It's like using a bias band as a facing. So basically, yeah, using a bias band as an elastic casing. So yeah, just to make it easier so I don't get all that bunching at the end, I'm going to be doing it this way. And hopefully it works out well.
Here very close to the edge of the waistband, making sure to leave an opening so that I can thread the elastic through.
So I got it on now and I'm really happy with the way it looks. This is how it looks. Love it. All I need to do is now sew these two elastics together and then I'm done. And then close it. Then close the seam. Okay, I'm back at the machine now. I'm ready to stitch down this narrow hem. And I'm going to try and stitch very close to the edge of the hem, right along this line here.
And there you have it, guys. The hem is all done. That's the narrow hem, all done, finished. And so happy to say I am done with this dress. All that's left to do is, all that I need to do now is just hand stitch the bodice lining to the bodice here. So that's all that's left to do, and then I'm done.
Hey guys, that's the end of the video. I absolutely enjoyed making it for you guys. As you can see here, I'm modeling the garment. It was absolutely gorgeous. Love the fit. Can't wait to actually go out and take pictures in it. Leave a comment below telling me how much you did like it, and hopefully I'll be making more of these videos, doing more in-depth sew alongs, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.